In this video, we're looking at direct proportion. A directly proportional relationship is where one variable increases at the same rate as another variable. So the amount of lemons we buy is directly proportional to how much we pay for the lemons. If we double the amount of lemons we buy, we double the amount we pay for them. If we multiply the number of lemons we buy by 5, the cost is multiplied by 5. So here's a question. 3 lemons cost 45p. Work out the cost of 5 lemons. So what we can do here is we can work out the cost of 1 lemon. So 3 lemons cost 45p. So 3 lemons are 45p, equal 45p. So if I divide the amount of lemons by 3, the cost will be divided by 3. So 1 lemon is 45 divided by 3, which is 15p. So to work out the cost of 5 lemons, I can times both sides by 5. So if I divide it by 3, divide both of them by 3, then I can multiply them both by 5. So I'm going to say 5 lemons, 15p times 5, that's 75p. So my answer is 75p. Here's a slightly different question. So we've got 4 tins of beans and 3 tins of soup, costs £3.68. 5 tins of beans costs £1.60. Work out how much 1 tin of soup costs. So the number of tins of beans we buy is going to be directly proportional to how much we pay for the beans. So you've got 5, I put 5 beans, 5 tins of beans is £1.60 or 160p. I can divide both sides by 5. So if I divide how many tins of beans I'm buying by 5, I'm going to divide how much I pay for them by 5. So 160 over 5 is 32. 160 over 10 is 16 and double. So 32p for 1 tin of beans. And in the top line, I've got 4 tins of beans. So if I work out how much 4 tins of beans costs, so I'm going to take how much, well, I can do 5 tins of beans, take away 1 tin of beans, or 1 tin of beans multiplied by 4, either one of those. So to multiply by 4, I'm going to double, then double again. So double 1 is 64. Double 64 is 128p. So 4 tins of beans, that's £1.28 or 128p. And 3 tins of soup costs £3.68. So I can work out how much 3 tins of soup costs by doing £3.68 take away £1.28. So that is £2.40p. So that means 3 soups must be £2.40 or 240p. And if I divide by 3, so if I divide the number of tins of soup I buy by 3, I'll divide the cost by 3. So 1 tin of soup. 24 over 3 is 8. Add on the 0. So it's 80p. So 1 tin of soup costs 80p. Okay, here's another question. If you want to pause the video, give it a go, you can. Otherwise, you can just keep watching. So it costs £1.71 to buy 5 apples and 3 pears. It costs £1.08 to buy 4 pears. How much will it cost to buy 4 apples? So 4 pears costs 108p. So I'm going to work out how much 1 pear costs by dividing both sides by 4 this time. So 1 pear is, so half of 108 is 54, and then half of 54 is 27. So 1 pear is 27p. I've got 3 pears in the top line, so I'm going to work out how much 3 pears cost. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So 27 times 3, 20 times 3 is 60. 7 times 3 is 21. 60 plus 21 is 81p. So 3 pears are 81p. £0.81. So to work out the cost of 5 apples, I'm going to take the total cost and minus 81p. So £1.71 minus 81. So we've got 0 and we've got 17. Take away 8, which is 90p. So 5 apples equal 90p. I'm going to work out the cost of 1 apple. So divide by 5, both sides. So 1 apple. 90 divided by 5. So 90 divided by 10 is 9. Double it, 18. So 1 apple is 18p. I want the cost of 4 apples. So 4 apples. So 18 times 4. Or I could do 5 apples, take away 1 apple. That would work as well. So 18 times 4. So I'm going to double it. So double 18 is 36. And double it again, 72p. So 4 apples cost 72p.